Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am also well. Today I will discuss about a drama. The name of the drama is Shalish. At the beginning of the drama, we can see that there was cutting the beautiful hair of a girl. Then we can see the whole face of the girl, who is the heroine of the drama. After the scene, we see Mohan, the hero of the drama, who was talking to the village people about watching TV on Friday. Then Mohan went from there by riding bicycle. In the meantime, we see Aisha, who sat in front of the mirror and was beautifying herself and giving tip on her forehead. She looked herself in the mirror and looking very beautiful and also smiling for her beauty. Then we see a man who was coming with a battery for watching TV, and he was talking to the village people about a movie. All types of boys were coming with him. Then we see Mohan, also the son of Matbar of the village, was coming on Shako, who was taking preparation for watching TV. But her mother stopped her and asked where she was going. She told her mother she was going to watch TV with Shefali in Ratan Bhai's house. She told her mother there will be no problem and all told her mother not to worry. Then we see antenna. Mohan turning it left and right. At that time, Mohan sees Aisha and Shefali coming in Ratan Bhai's home. Mohan asked them why they were late. The movie already started. Aisha replied that it was very difficult for her to come here. Then Aisha looked at the Mohan smiling. The look was very amazing and had very deep love for Mohan. Mohan also felt shy and was smiling. Then they all come to the house to watch TV. During watching TV, Mohan frequently looked at Aisha. Aisha also looked at Mohan. The scene was very amazing. Aisha cried for Shabana's sorrow and suffering. Mohan also felt pity for Aisha's crying. So guys, no more today. Another part is coming very soon. And give comment in the comment box. How was the drama? Thank you everyone for watching this video. And also next part is coming very soon. Okay, bye.